if you were my mentee, I would have told you to stop being so picky with the elite boutiques and the bulge brackets.
And I'm maybe focused on the terminology, but I talk to everyone.
Okay.
But I'm
surprised you didn't get any middle market kind of New York bites. Maybe just because you weren't there, so it was tough with just the 2 trips to get enough traction.
That might be true. Some of the phone screens were more like I was talking to people literally Minnesota, Wisconsin. I was talking to everyone, but maybe I didn't spend enough time on kind of some of the lower middle market shops in New York, which I did in San Fran and was able to get some traction there. But I really was focused on New York.
Yeah, because if you're able to really have some introspection and see where you are relative to your thing. So like you did all that work at that elite boutique, and yet still you didn't even get a first round interview. I think if you had that perspective going in, you might have been a lot more aggressive with the middle market and regional places just to try and get into a shop that had that would have given you summer analyst experience that had some sort of deal transaction experience. Because I think
100%.
I think that would have made you a little bit more competitive going to senior year. It all worked out, obviously.
Yeah.
And so maybe that networking obviously paid off, I think, long term, because you were around the hoop, right? So
exactly.